How would you like to write conveniently at home, work at flexible hours, set your own schedule, spend more time with your family and friends, and get a nice big fat paycheck at the end of the month? Writing-jobs.net and its partners bring you fresh and creative opportunities to get writing jobs online and get paid to boot. This is a perfect opportunity for freelance writers and just about anybody who can write that just don't have time for a commute to a dead-end, part-time job. Or, for anyone who wants to sit in their pajamas and work at home. When you join writing-jobs.net you will earn up to $30 to $120 per hour, get paid up to $50 per article, get paid up to $500 to $1,000 for short ebooks, get cash from 1,000s of our daily high-paying writing jobs, all kinds of writing jobs from you to choose from, flexible working hours, work when you want to write content anywhere in the world, no experience needed to join. Now you can live the laptop lifestyle and make a full-time income or make extra cash by providing written content to thousands of our partners that need them for their websites, blogs, books, magazines, marketing materials and many more. These are just some of the ways you can make money with our online writing jobs and strategic partnerships with major corporations. No boss, no noisy alarm clocks, and definitely no schedules. You make your own decisions. There are no unrealistic deadlines and nobody telling you how much to work. You get to decide how much you work, part-time, full-time or overtime. Earn up to $500 to $5,000 every month, making a better than average income doing what you want, when you want. Get out of the rat race today. You get to decide because you have the freedom of working for yourself. We aren't filthy rich, but we sure enjoy what we do. We are normal people, we don't flaunt our money, or dine expensively every night. We just enjoy ourselves and what we do. We have never released this information until now, and there has been an overwhelmingly successful response from it.